For today's video, we will show you how to withdraw from Trust Wallet to Watch Only Wallet. So let's begin. Now what I need you to do is log into both of your account to trustwallet.com if you're using your computer. But if you're using the mobile app, log in using your credentials. And once you've done that, we need to define first what is a watch-only wallet. So it's a term used to describe Bitcoin wallets that allows you to keep track of your Bitcoin and cold storage while disabling the ability to spend funds. This is because watch-only wallets do not store or use private keys and are therefore unable to authorize any spends on behalf of the users. Okay? So with that being said, what we need to do is open the app, right? So after opening the app, you need to choose the crypto you wanted to send from your Trust Wallet. Say, for example, you chose Bitcoin. Now, in the next step is you need to check the watch-only address here from the drop-down menu. And all I'm going to do is copy and then click send. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.